Good morning, my friend. I'm Mary Howard, RN with Powerline Health, bringing you another episode of Essentially Yours, where we like to come alongside you and give you some tools to help you in your day. And today we're going to talk about emulsifying your essential oils. And what does emulsifying your essential oils mean? Well, when you emulsify your essential oils, you make them mix in solution so that they don't float to the top, make them a little easier to take internally. And you only want to do essential oils internally if they're a therapeutic grade of essential oils, so if they're pure therapeutic grade. The first way that I wanted to show you that you can emulsify essential oils is when we made, well, this would be an external use of the essential oils. When we made the vegetable wash, I emulsified the lemon oil into the baking soda so that when I added the baking soda and the vinegar together and I put that into my sprayer, they don't separate. That was a fun way to emulsify. Another way you can emulsify essential oils is if you want to make a bath blend, you emulsify your essential oils into the Epsom salts before you put that into your bath. So if you're doing lavender, that just makes a really relaxing bath. But if you were doing something like peppermint, if you didn't emulsify it into the Epsom salts before putting it into a bath, it could kind of not be the most pleasant bath. And if you were doing this for, say, a child that you wanted to bring the fever down for, or an adult that you want to bring a fever down for, emulsifying the essential oils into the bath salts or Epsom salts is going to help. Another way that I love to emulsify my essential oils is in my tea. You can put your essential oils on your tea bag, and while your water's heating, they will absorb into the tea bag. And one of the oils I love in my tea is cinnamon. So I like to put 2 or 3 drops of therapeutic grade cinnamon in my tea. And then I like to do that on tea bags, but actually my favorite tea is Looseleaf teas. So tonight I'm making a cup of Essiac tea. I just got this mix at the health food store. And I'm going to go ahead and put 4 drops of copaiba in it because copaiba is very anti-inflammatory and it's going to help me relax tonight. Then another way, this is a brand new way that I have figured out that I can use my essential oils and emulsify them and use them internally very easily. The thing about essential oils is they're a little bit strong to just drop under your tongue. Some of them you can do that with the frankincense, you can do that with the copaiba, so it's not that big a deal. But some of them don't taste very good, or you really only need a drop a day, and it would be nice to be able to prepare them ahead of time. Making capsules is a great way to do it, but sometimes that's not convenient. So I have figured out that you can, for example, I have this bottle of chaga, and I'm going to put my essential oils in the chaga. And I'm going to use copaiba because it goes well with chaga. Chaga is a good herb that helps with abnormal cells, helps regenerate your body and remove unhealthy cells in the body. Another one that I have found that I've been doing is putting 20 drops of frankincense in my bottle of Essiac. Now when I take my 20 drops of Essiac each day, I'm getting a drop of frankincense with it. So those are just some really handy ways to use your oils and add them to your everyday routine and even make them pretty easy to go, but make sure you're using a therapeutic grade if you're going to use your essential oils internally. And do remember that a drop is a dose if you're using a good grade of essential oils. I hope this has been helpful to you. Please like and share our video, and we love to hear your comments. What have you emulsified with essential oils and how has it helped you? Thank you.